So hi guys, how are you all? As you know, MacBook Tahoe update is out now. So here is the first setting that you can do it on your Mac. First go to appearance, and now here you can check. You can adjust icon and widget styles, default, dark, clear and tinted. And here are four options available for this. Now you can choose anyone according to you. And also the control center is also changed. Here is a new look in glass. So now you can see the whole notification center is changed into a transparent glass theme. Also you can edit controls. Now you can edit new widgets and new controls here, like stage manager, brightness, true tone, night shade, etc. You can edit according to you, and now you select your widgets and just click on done. Also a new wallpaper is available on your wallpaper settings. Now go to change wallpaper, and here you can see now here is a new wallpaper available, and this is pretty good, not bad. And after that, now let's go to the next feature. The next feature is about spotlight. If you press command plus spacebar, you can see a new look, new spotlight. Also here some feature added like application files and clipboard. You can access them by pressing command plus space plus 1, command plus 2, command plus 3 and command plus 4. And now it's more easy to use and now more easy to access. Also the old launcher app was now apps. Also two new apps was added. So first one is the phone app. Now you can access your calls and make calls from this app. Also it's look like your old iPhone app, and same UI as your iPhone. And the second app is games, and now you have a separate app like for games, and you can access them from applications. Or here you can see some games like anything. And if you don't like the glass UI, and if you wanna to like old one, so go to system settings and accessibility, and now you have to go display, and you can share option reduce transparency and turn it on. Your old MacBook will be like old one, no? And if you have noticed that your cursor was also changed, now it have some round edges like the old one, and it's completely worried, and some seems good but not. So this is the review of your macOS Tahoe 26, and thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also again, thanks for watching.